And I say that when you pray to God, it is a conversation is going on. When you pray to God like this, immediately feel that God is here, little above, or God knows how high He is, but He is listening to our prayers. God give us this. And then again, when we meditate, at that time we feel His existence is not there. It is here. So two way. When now I am talking to you, a few seconds ago you talk to me. So when we pray, we feel that He is above, He is listening what I am saying, Then when I meditate, I feel that He is talking to me. Do this, don't do this. He is telling me what to do. So if you can take God, you can have the feeling that He is right inside. You can have endless talk. But our mind tells us that God is there somewhere else above. So that's why to convince the mind, we feel that God, we should pray there and God is listening to us. But again, if you can go beyond the mind, if you live here, then inside the heart, our conversation is going on constantly, sleeplessly.